Why we're building the SAFERmoon Launchpad. Each week, one or more meme coins blast off. A few lucky investors make a lot of money, and thousands more lose their money when any number of events occur. Number 1. Whales who caused the pump sell their tokens, profiting from all the smaller investors' money. Number 2. Project owners rug the project, stealing liquidity and/or tokens from under the investors. Number 3. An exploit that should have been protected against is used to steal money. Number 4. Hype-driven interest fades, and tokens with no utility plummet in value, harming all but the earliest investors. Number 5. The next shiny project appears, attracting investors who are looking for quick wins to drain other projects of money. Whatever the cause, meme coins inevitably fail. Some last longer than others, like those promoted by Elon Musk and his contemporaries, but without utility, hype-driven projects will always suffer. Scams are everywhere. We haven't met a single investor whose money hasn't been negatively affected by a scam. It's not possible to expect even the smartest investor to read and understand every smart contract. Yesterday, a lot of people lost an astronomical amount of money on Polygon due to a combination of whale manipulation, bad tokenomics, and greed. Flash loan exploits hit a number of exchanges over the past several weeks, draining tens of millions of dollars from the wallets of unlucky investors. Still, more investors spent their money on what turned out to be straightforward rugs. In DeFi, it's up to individual projects to step up and provide security solutions for wary investors. We can't sit back and expect Binance or CZ to step in and solve all of these problems. We, individual project owners and community members, must take action. Launchpad. The word launchpad is tossed around casually in crypto, but what does it mean? For most projects, a launchpad is just a page on their website with a list of tokens that are theoretically vetted. Investors can stake a native token to earn the newly launched token. We don't believe that this type of launchpad helps the security landscape in BSC Binance Smart Chain. There are just as many projects launched through other launchpads that wind up being scams as projects that are launched independently. So how is the SAFERmoon Launchpad different? We're building a solution that will allow project owners with any level of technical expertise to securely create and manage new tokens. Here's what our Launchpad will provide. All new tokens will be based on pre-audited code. Whereas other launchpads act as a glossary of existing tokens, SAFERmoon's Launchpad will provide a user interface through which users can create new tokens. You don't need to be a programmer. Just select the options you want, pay a fee, and you're ready to go. Project owners will then manage their tokens through SAFERmoon's website as administrators. Adjustable variables, such as adding new whitelisted addresses, will be done on the SAFERmoon site. Time locks are built into smart contracts. If a project owner makes a change that can affect investors, investors will be notified ahead of time. Bot protection will be offered as an additional layer of security. Initial protection will ward off sniper bots from buying in cheaply. Launchpad status. Active development has begun, and we've already made serious progress. We've built our Launchpad contract, which is capable of automatically deploying token contracts to mainnet. We've also transformed the SAFERmoon contract into a format that can be utilized by other projects. All of the contract's core functions can be modified by new project creators. Next, we're working on coding our bot protection schematics into the contract as an optional add-on. After that, we'll be working on the front-end interface. The first token option offered is likely to be a modified RFI token, but we already have plans to introduce an influencer-focused token soon afterward. Launchpad benefits. So, what are the benefits of our approach? Why are we spending so much time and money on development? Number 1. We want to create a platform through which it's impossible to launch a ruggable token. Number 2. We want to offer services to project owners who may not know how to code. Using our Launchpad will be like using any other web app, or setting up your Instagram profile. Easy. Number 3. We seek to contribute meaningfully to the security landscape in BSC. This includes offering audited code, providing transparency to investors, and pioneering bot protection techniques. While the market recovers, we're taking advantage of this time to really dig in and build. We're incredibly thankful for the investors who continue to stick with us through this process, since there's not as much excitement or hype during these quieter times. But if you value safety and are interested in a project that we plan to continue developing over the coming months, then we'll continue providing updates for all who are interested. SAFERmoon may be found on the following websites: